Doing a spot repair on something like this is very challenging with all that light casting down from up above. It just shows everything. So that's why I'm gonna pop the door right off, and this way I could hide the spray points behind the hinges. Whatever you move out of here, you gotta put back, which is why I like to cover it up, and especially with something like this. It takes no time at all, so there's really no excuse not to. Pro tip is putting the tape ever so slightly behind this edge here. This way when I spray this way, the paint goes that way, and it's not gonna leave a sharp tape line. Now, the only way to permanently remove these is to sand them completely out. But if you sand only where they are, then you're gonna create a dip in the paint. So this is gonna turn into this. 120 takes it down, and 320 smoothens it out. If you feel a wave or a dip in the wood, they're gonna see that in the paint when it's done. So you gotta feather out some more. I'm just gonna wipe it down with lacquer thinner, clean the surface, make sure there's no contaminants or oils or anything else that's gonna react bad with the paint. Then we go ahead and hit with some primer and give it a nice even coat. And once we let that dry nicely, it'll flatten out, level off. We'll give it a nice sand. We're ready for the first coat of paint. And this one, we're gonna stay only on the primer. Then we're gonna let this set up a little bit, and then we're gonna do the final coat on top of the whole thing. Now the key here is bringing this down to halfway through the hinge. This way it hides the spray stops. I did get a little bit of a run starting here and here, which I think would have laid down overnight, but I want to be sure. So I'm going to sand this down and hit it again. Once it's back together, you can see how the paint laid down. It's dry to the touch, but cures overnight. So it'll just continue to level off and get better as it dries. When the doors are closed, you can't even see where the spray marks are because they're mostly hidden by the doors, and we went down behind the hinge. And you can't even see this side at all because of the fridge. One thing I am noticing though are some fingerprints around the knobs, which aren't for me because I wear gloves. But I'm just gonna take some of this kitchen cabinet cleaner, spray it on the towel like this, and wipe down all the cabinets for a nice finish, clean look. This is designed to effectively clean without harming the finish. Once it air dries, there's no streaks, shines, or residues left behind. You're left with a clean, even, matte finish that your cabinets are supposed to have. It's plant-based, safe for the kitchen, no added waxes, shines, or polishes, or any fragrances like that. You can pick it up on Amazon. You could absolutely use it on your wood furniture, and even if you have wooden cabinets. As good as the paint job comes out, a little wipe down goes a long way and makes the end result just that much better.